How are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
I'm Fahad.
Okay, what is your school name?
My school name
Is?
is Kalinagar Government Primary School.
What class are you in?
I read in class 3.
Very good, very good. What is your father name?
My father name is in Shahabuddin.
My father name is Shahabuddin. Okay, very good. What is your mother name?
My mother name is Farjan Akhtar.
Very good, very good. How many siblings do you have?
My siblings.
I have.
I have six.
Kajan?
Three.
3 siblings. I have
Three siblings.
3 siblings. Very good. What is your favorite hobby?
My
Favorite hobby is ki?
গাছ লাগানো
Gardening.
gardening.
Very good, very good. Acha. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color red.
Is red.
Is red.
Okay. So what is your favorite food?
My favorite food
is
is fish.
Payash. Very good. So what is the name of your country?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Very good. Thank you so much. Okay. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
So what's your name?
I'm Rima.
Okay. What class are you in?
I reading 3.
Class 3.
Class 3.
Okay. So what is your school name?
Kalinagar Government Primary School.
Very good, very good. What's your father name? What's your father name? My father
Rubel Mia.
name is Rubel Mia.
Name is Rubel Mia.
What is your mother name? My mother name is?
My mother name is Lipi Akhtar.
Very good. How many siblings do you have? কয় ভাই বোন আছে তোমাদের? I have 3 siblings.
পুরোটা
বলো I have 3 siblings.
I have 3 siblings.
Okay, very good. What is your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is কি বেশি ভালো লাগে কি করতে?
খেলতে.
Playing. Okay. So what is your favorite color?
Red.
Okay. So what is your favorite food?
Payash. Ji.
Okay. What is the name of your country?
Bangladesh.
Ji. Thank you so much. ভালো লাগতেছে?
জি না.
Thank you. Hi, how are you?
Fine, sir.
What is your name?
I am Ashadul.
What class are you in?
I am in class 3.
Okay. So what is your school name?
My school name is Kalinagar Government Primary School.
Very good, very good. What is your father name?
My father name is Koromani.
Okay. What is your mother name?
My mother name is Kulchum Akhtar.
Very good. How many siblings do you have? I have কয়জন?
5.
5. I have 5 siblings.
I have 5 siblings.
Okay. What is your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is?
My favorite hobby is
কি ভালো লাগে বেশি? কোনটা ভালো লাগে বেশি? শখ কি? খেলা. Playing. So my favorite hobby is playing cricket or football. কোনটা? Football. Very good. So what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Very good. So what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
Very good. What is the name of your country?
Bangladesh.
Very good. আজকের এই হঠাৎ ইন্টারভিউটা কিরকম লাগলো? ভালো লাগছে? একটু ভয় লাগছে না? হ্যাঁ, একটু এলোমেলো আওলা ঝাওলা লাগছে, বাট এটা আমরা এইভাবে প্র্যাকটিস করব, ঠিক আছে? মাঝে মাঝে এইভাবে ইন্টারভিউ নিব আমি, হ্যাঁ? আমি প্রশ্ন করব, তুমি উত্তর দিবা, এবং অবশ্যই সেটা ইংরেজিতে। আজকে তো প্রথম দিন, এই জন্য একটু ইয়া লাগছে। আবার ওটা ঠিক আছে যে ওই মাই দেশের নাম বাংলাদেশ, মাই দেশের নাম, মাই কান্ট্রি নেম না বললে বলছিল কি মাই দেশের নাম বাংলাদেশ। হ্যাঁ, অসুবিধা নেই, মাথায় যেটা আসবো এটাই বলে দিবা। হ্যাঁ, কিন্তু বলতে হবে আর কি। ওকে, সো থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।